My name is Claire and I live in Nottingham in the United Kingdom with my husband John. We have 2 children, and my daughter Rhianne, who's 20, and my son Nathan, who'll be 22 in a couple of weeks' time. I'm an optical consultant and I've been working there for about 26 years overall. I like to spend time with my family and friends. We like to go out for a meal, socialising, going out for a drink. In my late teens I developed ulcerative colitis. It is quite a devastating disease, and I had quite a few flare-ups for a few years until most recently my last flare-up was pretty awful and they couldn't control it with drugs. So I ended up having my surgery, a total colectomy with a stoma formed. Not long after surgery I developed skin irritation from my appliances. It's quite itchy and sore. It's not nice to have because it becomes your main focus, but there's not a lot you can do about it, or you don't think you can. I was very lucky that my stoma nurse was there to help me. I got in touch with her and said, look, this isn't working for me, and she introduced me to the Eakin Cohesive Slim Seal. It's just been amazing for me. I can mould it to whatever shape I want around the stoma. It fits really well and it sticks really well, so that the bag can then go on top. You feel really confident with it, so you're able to go about your normal business, go to work, socialise, and not have any fear of leaking, because when you've got sore skin and irritated skin, it tends to be a bit moist, so your bag can lift off and you're just not confident at all when you go out. I have tried other seals and they just didn't work as well. They made me more itchy, it didn't stick well to the skin, and you still don't feel confident. You need to feel confident when you've got a busy lifestyle, you're at work, you can't be going around having sore skin and leakages. It's just not something you want. But the Eakin seal gives you back that confidence. This is why the Eakin Cohesive Slim Seal will always be the seal for me every day.